Here is how to create an RMA from a project. I've clicked into my project and I'm at the project header page where I can see the project name, the project status, and all the other information in regards to my project. I'm going to navigate over to the Products tab of my project. If this tab is not visible to you, scroll to the end and click the gear to make sure that the Product tab is visible in the displayed columns. Once I am on my Product tab, I'm going to look for the product I would like to RMA. In this case, it's the medium display. I'll click on the product I would like to RMA. And when I'm in the product, I'm going to navigate to the More dropdown. From here, I'll select the More dropdown and hit Enter RMA. This is going to take me to the RMA tag screen. What this has done is it's inherited the project ID from the product, as well as entered the product ID information and description. It will keep the unit price from the project and have all the company information from the project as well. It will also update my name and the date I entered this RMA. I'll make any other updates required for this RMA, including any problem descriptions I may have noticed, and if there's any other internal notes I need to have. At that point, I can hit save, and this will create an RMA tag for a product from a project.